Tired of dreaming about wealth? Let's turn those dreams into reality. This video reveals the top strategies to build your fortune in 2024. Investing is your money-making money. Explore index funds, dividend stocks, and growth stocks. Real estate offers opportunities through rental properties and REITs. Cryptocurrency is risky but holds potential. Entrepreneurship can lead to massive wealth. Dive into e-commerce, dropshipping, and digital products. Consider startups or explore franchising options. Specialized skills equal big bucks. Become a software engineer, data scientist, or cybersecurity expert. Healthcare offers lucrative paths in medicine, dentistry, and nursing. Finance can lead to wealth through investment banking, financial planning, or accounting. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Freelancing, gig economy work, and rental income beyond real estate can boost your earnings. Create and sell digital products or physical goods. Mindset is key. Budget, save, and invest wisely. Set clear financial goals. Continuously learn about market trends and industries. Building wealth takes dedication and smart choices. Combine these strategies and adopt a winning mindset to achieve financial success. Start your wealth-building journey today. Subscribe, like, share,